Welcome to another Savory Saturday. Today we're making balsamic fig chicken. First things, you're going to preheat your oven to 450. While that's preheating, you're going to quarter your little potatoes and then put them on a baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil, salt, and pepper. While the potatoes are cooking, again, you want to make them for about 20 to 25 minutes. We're going to prep everything else. You're just going to half a lemon. And then for the rosemary, you're just going to take the little bits off of them and you're just going to do one little twig of it. And you'll make a pile of that. And once that's done, then you'll trim and peel your shallot. And you'll dice this up nice. And then once these are done, we will start prepping the chicken. We have our shallot cut, and we have our rosemary prepped and our lemon halved. Just gonna prep the chicken. You just drizzle some olive oil in a pan, which we already did, and then season it with some salt. Oh, that was pepper. And some salt. Then you'll cook this on medium to high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes aside until it's nice and golden brown, and then we will make the balsamic fig glaze. Now that the chicken is done, we transferred it into a bowl. Now we make our awesome fig and balsamic jam. You're going to add your rosemary and your shallot to the pan along with just a little bit of olive oil. You'll cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Once this is done, you'll add your fig jam and your balsamic vinegar. Again, cook this on medium heat, let it sizzle up and get all soft. And then fig jam and balsamic for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you'll add in chicken stock. And you'll cook that all together to get a nice creamy